What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at XRP, which we obviously need to be talking about, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and the S&P 500. Guys, it happened pretty crazy that on a Sunday we saw XRP explode to levels that I don't think any of us thought we were going to see. We discussed that we were noticing some sort of new technical pattern here. I don't even remember where it was. I think it was what we just drew. This is the new technical pattern here that we were referencing in yesterday's episode, this kind of newfound discovery of an ascending triangle. We didn't really know which direction we would break to. I did say that typically these kind of ascending triangles could be breaking bearish, but also how we enter is usually how we exit on these movements. And because we entered with such a parabolic amount of volume here, how we exited, it's not too much of a surprise. But either way, like regardless, even if I was like 50-50 on whether we should be breaking up or down, the real answer, like the easiest answer to this, was just waiting for confirmation. Because we were tracking something like this on the hourly charts, and you can literally go back into yesterday's episode and check out the video that we made where we were discussing XRP and the possibility of a new breakout coming soon. And I said constantly XRP has been forming these new technical patterns that have been making it extremely easy to trade on. The simple answer is here we are with a beautiful ceiling and a beautiful floor. And as we get pumped up to here, as soon as we confirm closure above or below support or resistance, that's that buy-in opportunity. And clearly we had that confirmation right here on the hourly, and that was the buy-in opportunity for all of us. And here we are exploding now, and we reached a ceiling, which is crazy, at about $2.49, which is, to be honest, absolutely incredible and unreal. I didn't think we would be going this high. Still not at all-time highs, but this is the highest, the second highest XRP has ever been. The first time was back in 2018, 2017, and here we are pretty much making history again. I mean, anybody that doubted this is probably like pretty mind blown that we just went pretty much perma-bull straight to the ceiling. And if we take from where we confirmed that breakout before, XRP is currently up 321% in a total of 1, 2, 3. We're literally on 3.5 weeks. 3.5 weeks, practically a month, we are up over 300%. I mean, this is a crypto that has been around for, years now, since 2017, if not earlier. We could go back all the way to back in 2017. So it's been several years now. It's proven that it's been around, and it's really just a waiting game with these cryptocurrencies. It doesn't get any more obvious, and we keep saying this, but it's so obvious when the markets break, and this is no surprise. It's not, taboo. It's not crazy. It's not like, whoa, nobody ever expected this. Crypto has historically shown cyclical tendencies. Every 4 years, we typically expect to see a breakout. And it's no coincidence that we're seeing this now. The first breakout happened 2017. 4 years later, 2021. 4 years later, practically 2025. We are a month away, less than a month away from 2025. Do you not see how everything seems to happen in 4-year intervals? This is not a surprise. We have down markets, and guess what? There will be another in 4 years. So for those that are FOMO, buying in now to hold on long term, it is stupid. Wait for the markets to cool back off. We are with certainty going to be pulling back down very soon, and you don't want to be on the wrong side of this drop because it is going to correct pretty fast, pretty quickly. It does open up opportunities for us because unlike back in 2017, we have the option now to short cryptocurrencies. So we'll go into more detail later on in today's video, but definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. Now, guys, before we dive into the technical analysis, super excited, lots of important news, but BYDFI, like I told you before, is doing a trading competition. The crazy part is this trading competition is only lasting 19 days. It's been around for a month, and in the past 11 days, we have a prize pool of close to $6,000, which is incredible. It started at $1,000 just 11 days ago, and just yesterday was at a $4,900 prize pool. Now it's at $5,900 prize pool. And what's even crazier is we have new people on the roster here. Every morning we've been checking to see who's in the lead here and who's going to be participating. And originally we had Tommy in number 1, if not definitely number 2, but he could have been number 1 at the start. Now he's back in this This is the 4th spot here, and we have 2 people that have made leaps and bounds ahead, which is pretty incredible to watch this. Jay Porter is still in the lead, and there's a pretty large gap here, but anything can happen. It's just absolutely wild to see who's been able to trade this. We have $50 million in trading volume in the past 11 days. That is absolutely incredible here. And on top of that here, my favorite part is, like, for those that are maybe starting to get a little like disheartened or whatever that word is, just, you know, a little like, yeah, there's no point in joining because I'm never going to get this much in trading volume. And maybe that's right. But the cool part about this is the way BYDFI has created the price pool, the way they're sharing it, means pretty much anyone has a chance of getting in, which is really cool. So obviously, majority of it is going to go to those top 5 people here, with the 80% price pool going to ranks 1 through 5. You can see the distribution here. But 20% of the price pool is then going to be split to 5 traders with trading volume over $100. That means $10 leveraged 10x can get you entered here, or just $100 putting it in one trade will get you entered to possibly win. Probably it's going to be 5%, which is still a lot. 5% of $6 grand so far, and obviously with 19 days left, this is probably going to be well over $10,000, if not closer to $20,000, which is going to be a massive prize pool here. So make sure to enter down in the description below. It is completely free to enter, simple, easy, even for people that are already registered to BYDFI, maybe months or years ago, whatever, you still have a chance to get in on this. So I highly recommend you take advantage of that. Diving into the technical analysis here, I mean, this is incredible. This is absolutely phenomenal that XRP has just continued to prove everybody wrong consistently here. It's funny because I'm getting texts from people that I haven't spoken to in months or years, and they're like, did you see XRP? Like, of course I've seen XRP. We've been talking about it every single day for 4 years now, and you're only now getting excited about it. So it's incredible. Like, the time to buy in was several years ago, or even like several months ago here. I mean, the latest you had was back November 9th, XRP was 50 cents. Before that, it was 51 cents in October. So just the latter part of October. So it's only been 2 months. 2 months, and we have seen massive turnout, massive explosions, massive rallies to the upside, and even all the way up to here. Even though I'm a strong believer that we are going to correct, and if anybody says we're just going to keep going up, you're out of your mind. You don't give in to greed. This is probably becoming the latter part of FOMO, and there's a chance we could either hit all-time highs, or we can peak, hit $3.26, and then correct back down. Anything is possible at this point here. We don't know when the top is going to be. The only thing we have to reference is if we go to like the weekly charts and we count the amount of weeks that XRP had from the previous explosion, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that the current market now, we've had 1, 2, 3, and maybe we're going on the 4th one as of this week. So this week could be the last week we see any sort of major runs to the upside. It's very possible we could have all the way up to all-time highs or higher, but then get ready for correction, because obviously what goes up comes down, and there's going to be huge short opportunities, and that's pretty much what I'm waiting for. As you can see, just as quickly as XRP had this parabolic rally, we absolutely dumped and like crashed after, and it's happened every single time pretty much with all these cryptos. We go up 200, 300, 400%, then we crash 90%. So expect to see major drops, and that's the best part. I mean, crypto has been dormant, XRP has been dormant for months, but guess what? Once we have this major parabolic run up, it is going to be a slow and steady drop. We rally up, that's a huge long opportunity, a huge short, a huge short, then a rally up, rally down, rally up, rally down, and each movement like this is volume, and that means we can short and make profit off of every single trade of these swings. It's only when crypto is trading sideways is it boring, but with the markets like this, guys, it's going to be another year of just parabolic bullish run. I've been calling this. You could go back months in my videos, and I said the latter part of 2024 into 2025. You could quote me on that. I can find the videos. I said that we are going to see these runs, and here it is. It's just typical. The statistics, everything showed that. It's just how the halving works. We said it's going to be a late bloomer this year, and here we are seeing that market explode to the upside. So it's proved us right again, and it's absolutely incredible. So my point is, paying attention to these markets, we can actually probably even find a new technical pattern here. This could be now forming another possible fractal or something like that. We have like resistance here. We have maybe the start of a new descending fractal, a bull flag. This could obviously lead to another bullish rally, but I would expect to see a bit of consolidation if this actually forms what it looks to be forming here. Expect correction to the downside, and then we're going to see some pretty incredible runs. There's a good chance we're rallying up or setting ourselves up for even more heights. So absolutely incredible. All these trades that we've been doing are on BYDFI. For those that don't know, BYDFI has been around for years, and they offer XRP to leverage trade. We've been capitalizing on each of these breaks simply because BYDFI offers, opportunities to long, short, leverage trade, create stop losses. We have take profits. We have trailing stop losses. We have stop limit orders, market orders. They have a reward center here where you can see new user benefits for those that are new, and a demo trading account. Best part is all the bonus money you accumulate. If you click on this, if we go to Bitcoin here, we click on bonus wallet, all trading profits can be withdrawn, which means pretty much everything you make is completely free to withdraw and use for your benefits. So you can get all these benefits and these bonus cryptos. There's a $100 sign up bonus for anyone new, and then you can claim up to 8K, which is crazy, I guess, for some whales. I don't know who's going to do that, but it's all there. You can get a ton of free bonus crypto. They have a demo trading account for you to practice trading your skills, get familiar with the platform. 50K in demo money to learn how to practice your skills before you start using that bonus money that you earned. And yeah, it's pretty incredible. We've talked about these rallies coming. We're continuing to rally up. This is no surprise. Nothing should be a shocker to anyone here. And these other cryptos, we're starting to see the drop. I mean, it's crazy because like XRP is a late bloomer, but Solana and these other cryptos are starting their descent. We'll see if we reverse rally up, but everything else looks like it's starting to dip. And I do believe we are going to drop. We have this ascending broadening wedge on Ethereum here, clear as day. This is probably going to scale us lower. Same thing with Solana here. Bitcoin just had a small break to the downside here. We are tracking this kind of symmetrical triangle. Now we're bouncing off support. So we'll see how these pan out. Ascending broadening wedges like the one forming here on Bitcoin are typically bearish, but you never know what could happen. We could easily rally back up here. Just keep your eyes on these blue lines that we've drawn. Keep your eyes on the yellow lines on Ethereum. XRP looks incredible. This is an hourly, very aggressive. Solana broke down from its ascending fractal here, and the S&P 500 is at resistance, so we'll see. There's a chance we could pump higher. I wouldn't be surprised, but all these markets are overbought now. This is not the time to be buying. The time to be buying was when the market was, down a year ago. That was the time, and here we are now reaping the benefits, which is incredible. But that's going to be it for today's video. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.